lake. It is a dark time, the darkest of times. The times are so dark they could not be darker. I mean, it's like midnight on the dark side of the moon. So anyway, the year is 932 AD. King Arthur is on a quest to see brave knights to join him in Camelot. England shall prosper under his brave leadership. His leadership will be one of bravery and leadership.
Ha! Who goes there? It is I, Arthur, son of Uther Pendragon. From the castle of Camelot, king of the Britons, defeater of Saxons, sovereign of all England. We have ridden the length and breadth of the land in search of knights who will join me in my court of Camelot. I must speak with your lord and master.
What? Ride on a horse?
Yes! You are using coconuts. What?
You've got two empty halves of coconut and you're banging them together.
So, we have ridden since the snow of winter covered this land, through the kingdom of Mercia. Where do you get the coconuts? We find them.
Found them? In Mercia? The coconut's tropical.
What do you mean? Well, this is a temperate zone. Sorrow may fly south with the sun in winter, yet these are not strangers to our land.
Are you suggesting coconuts migrate?
Not at all. They could be carried. What? A swallow carrying a coconut? It could grip it by the husk.
It's not a question of where he grips it. It's a simple question of weight ratios. A 5-ounce bird could not carry 1-pound coconut.
Well, it doesn't matter. Will you go and tell your master that Arthur from the court of Camelot is here? Listen, in order to maintain earthly velocity, a swallow needs to beat its wing 43 times every second, right? Please!
Am I right?
I'm not interested.
It could be carried by an African swallow.
Oh yeah, an African swallow maybe, but not a European swallow. That's my point.
Oh yeah, I agree with that.
Will you ask your master if he wants to join my court of Camelot?
Well then of course. African swallows do not migrate.
Oh yeah.
So, they couldn't bring a coconut back anyway.
Wait a minute. Supposing two swallows carry it together?
No, they have to have a line.
Well, simple.
What? How under the course of guiding feathers?
Well, why not? Having grown frustrated with his first attempt to seek brave knights in a nearby castle, King Arthur now turns to a smaller town. Actually, it's more of a village. Oh, let's be honest, it's a mud-covered dump where even the rats are embarrassed to say where they are from. In this poor town, the villagers seek justice against a fellow citizen, whom they believe is guilty of witchcraft. We have found a witch! May we burn her? Burn her!
How do you know she's a witch?
She looks like one.
Bring her forward. I'm not a witch. I'm not a witch. I'm not a witch. But you are dressed as one. Let's just make up like this. We didn't! And this isn't my nose. It's a false one. Well, we did do the nose. A nose?
And the head. But she is a witch.
Burn her! Did you dress her up like this?
No! Yes. No!
No.
Yes, a bit.
What makes you think she is a witch? Well, she turned me into a newt. A newt? I got backward.
Break her anyway.
Burn her! Quiet! There are ways of telling whether she's a witch.
Are there?
What are they? Tell us.
It can't hurt.
Tell me, what do you do with witches?
Burn them.
What do you burn apart from witches?
More witches. What?
So, why do witches burn? 'Cause they're made of wood. Good! So, how do we tell whether she's made of wood?
Build a bridge out of her.
But can you not also make bridges out of stone?
Oh, yeah.
Does wood sink in water? No!